Hey Tom, our LED plant light talent show has started. Fans, come and gather. We will introduce some product pictures and use case pictures. We know that plants lacking light will wither or grow too tall, affecting flowering and fruiting. Light is also very important for newly sprouted seedlings. Lack of light will cause the seedlings to grow too tall and weak, and they will be stunted in the later stages. In order to make the plants grow faster and better, we need to supplement them with light. How to choose LED plant growth lights? Fill lights, seedling lights. We give some questions, and then choose the LED. Plant growth lights, fill lights, seedling lights we need based on these questions. Generally, it is divided into 3 categories according to the venue and utility. Let's take a look at the various scenarios and usage effects through some actual cases. When we choose a lamp, we often see the title for spectrum. It is a lamp designed to imitate the spectrum of sunlight, but in fact, the wavelength is generally between 380到780 nanometers for visible light, and does not include ultraviolet light and infrared light. The spectrum of sunlight actually still includes ultraviolet light and infrared light. And plant growth lamps actually also need ultraviolet light and infrared light to some extent. Therefore, the full spectrum written in the title does not really completely imitate sunlight, but it can be used as a supplement for insufficient indoor light. So we call it LED plant growth lamp, fill light, seedling lamp. But it cannot completely replace sunlight. One is the high bay fill light generally used in greenhouses, fruit and vegetable flowers, succulent flowers, coloring and extending flowering period, increasing production and improving quality. Why do LED plant growth lights fill lights, seedling lights have different colors? Why do some of the LED plant growth lights fill lights, seedling lights we see have red, blue or orange colors? Different plant growth lights have different spectra. Lights of different brands and appearances have different spectra, but they have a common feature. That blue light and red light account for the largest proportion. This is because the wavelength of blue light is between 400 and 470 nanometers, which can stimulate the growth of seedlings and the development of plant leaves and roots. The red light of 630 to 660 nanometers can stimulate seed germination and plant flowering and fruiting. The wavelengths required for different growth stages of plants are uneven, so you can decide what color of field light to buy based on actual needs and plant types. The second is the shelf-type growth lamp, which is generally used in mushroom seedling tissue culture, shelf-type hydroponics, vegetables, fruits and flowers, coloring, increasing production and improving quality. Can ordinary LED lights be used as field light? Ordinary incandescent lamps definitely cannot, because they will emit a lot of heat and burn the leaves of plants. LED lamps generate very little heat and will not burn the leaves. Ordinary LED lamps are barely used for field light. They are mainly suitable for lighting, do not irritate the eyes, use more white light, and like blue and red light. Therefore, we need to buy special LED field lights according to the spectrum required by plants. They are equipped with enough blue and red light to better stimulate the growth potential of plants. They are suitable for all stages of plant growth, including seedlings, various green leafy plants, succulents and flowering plants. The third is the growth. Light for medicinal plants, the height, distance between the lamp and the plant. The influence of the height, adjustment or brightness adjustment of the lamp on the supplementary light. Generally, the distance between the lamp and the plant is between 40到75厘米, the closer, the greater the light intensity and the better the photosynthesis. This requires mentioning an important data. PAR photosynthetically active radiation, which is how much light the plant can absorb through photosynthesis within the visible light range, or it can be replaced by the number ppfd photon flux density. These two numbers, PAR and ppfd, PAR photosynthetically active radiation. ppfd photon flux density, the higher the value, the better. If it is a flowering or fruiting plant that requires a lot of light, this value needs to be high, and the lamp should be closer to the plant. If it is a seedling or a general green leafy plant that does not need much light, the lamp should be hung a little farther away. So when buying a lamp, the larger the data, the more flexible the light intensity can be controlled. There are two important parameters for LED plant lights. One is the color of the spectrum, which is mainly blue and red. The other is the value of ppfd or PAR. The higher the value, the better the effect. Let's discuss and learn together. Welcome to join our channel. If you have any questions, please post them in the comment area. I will reply in the comment area. Thank you.